Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Mesa and this is my lesson plan. The target population is the students approximately 10 or 12 years old in 5th grade at a public school, English level A1. The topic is preposition of places, vocabulary, school objects. The main target skills is reading, writing, and drawing. But the principal main target skill is writing. The learning objectives. Students will learn to identify and name school objects such as pencil, pencil case, eraser, pen, board, chair, desk, marker, etc. They will recognize preposition of places such as on, inside, in front of, under, behind, between, next to, etc. They will improve their translation skills and demonstrate an understanding of vocabulary and prepositions. They will also demonstrate their understanding through drawing. The materials are board, marker, eraser, notebooks, pencil, colors, etc. The activity. This activity is task-based intercultural learning, TVIL. This activity is first pre-task, preposition of places, vocabulary school objects, 60 minutes, vocabulary school objects, 30 minutes. A list of school objects in English and Spanish is written on the board for the students to copy into their notebooks. Then, the list is read and the students repeat after the teacher to practice pronunciation. Finally, the teacher asks two students to point to objects around them and say their names in English. Prepositions of places. 30 minutes. A list of prepositions of place in English and Spanish is written on the board for the students to copy into their notebooks. Again, the teacher then reads the list aloud and the students repeat after the teacher to practice pronunciation. Finally, they place the school's objects they have already learned in the places written on the board. During task activity 45 minutes. Write 8 sentences in English on the board using school objects and prepositions of places. Students should translate the sentences into Spanish and draw the corresponding place for each sentence. The teacher will write the first sentence on the board as an example, and the students will complete the rest in their notebooks while demonstrating the process. So, the post task feedback for 55 minutes, 15 minutes. The students present their translations and drawing to the teacher, who will correct them where necessary regarding the parts they were supposed to draw. Finally, the teacher will explain to the whole class the most common mistakes that some students have made repeatedly. Finally, as meant, students who complete all classroom activities without any problems are praised with comments such as very good, excellent, and good job. The other students who are unable to finish the activity at home can review it before the next class. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and I hope you uh, enjoy it as much as I and my students did. It was a very interesting experience.